Have you ever walked into a room and wished all eyes were on you? Not because of what you're wearing, but because of the energy you bring. Imagine having the kind of confidence that does not just look good on the outside, but makes people genuinely want to know you, understand you, and be around you. Welcome to the 1%, where we don't settle for average. Today's video is part of our new Seduction playlist, a series designed to unlock that magnetic presence within you. This video is all about building confidence. Not the fake it till you make it kind, but real, undeniable confidence that transforms how others see you and, more importantly, how you see yourself. So if you're ready to learn the secrets to mastering confidence in seduction, from methods that have captivated millions to real-life examples you can start using today, then stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to walk into any room with unshakable confidence, turning heads and making a lasting impact. Let's dive in. Why confidence is key in seduction. First, let's understand why confidence is so crucial when it comes to seduction. Seduction is about influence. It's not about manipulation, it's about being your best self and showing that you believe in your worth. When you're confident, people can feel it. They're more likely to trust you, be intrigued by you, and want to be around you. Take the example of someone like Steve Jobs. While we may not immediately think of him in terms of seduction, his ability to captivate a room and inspire people was rooted in confidence. He wasn't just selling products. He was selling himself, his vision, and his belief in the possibilities of the future. His confidence drew people to him. In relationships, the same principle applies. People are drawn to individuals who have a strong sense of self, who exude confidence without arrogance, and who are comfortable in their own skin. So how do we build that kind of confidence? Let's look at some of the most powerful techniques from the world of seduction, not just techniques, but also how it works, and what should you learn from them. Number 1. The power of self-awareness. One of the most powerful methods in seduction is self-awareness. When you are truly aware of who you are, your strengths, weaknesses, and the way you come across to others, it can radically change how you present yourself. The self-awareness builds confidence because you stop seeking validation from others. You know your worth, and that certainty makes you unshakable. Think of someone like Beyoncé. She exudes confidence because she knows her worth. Whether performing on stage or in interviews, she has an unshakable sense of who she is. The same applies to your interactions. When you truly know yourself, others can sense that certainty, and it's magnetic. Start with self-reflection. Take time each day to think about your strengths and how you bring value to the world. Identify areas where you might lack confidence and challenge yourself to improve them. This self-awareness will naturally improve your seductive confidence. Number 2. The art of charisma. Next, let's talk about charisma. Charisma is a key aspect of seduction, and it's all about how you make others feel when you're around. Charisma can be developed and is a crucial part of the confidence-building process. Charisma is about more than just looking good or saying the right things. It's about making people feel understood, valued, and important. When you're charismatic, you make people feel good in your presence, and that's what makes them want to be closer to you. I think of someone like Barack Obama. His charisma is magnetic, not because he's perfect, but because he knows how to make people feel heard and respected. Whether he's shaking someone's hand or delivering a speech, he connects emotionally with his audience. His confidence in his ability to connect is what makes him so captivating. Here is an advice. Practice active listening. When you're interacting with people, give them your full attention. Nod, maintain eye contact, and let them feel that you value their presence. This level of emotional engagement builds your charisma and, in turn, your seductive confidence. Number 3. The magnetic presence. Another powerful method in seduction is the importance of being real and showing authenticity. When you're genuinely confident, You don't feel the need to impress anyone. Instead, you focus on showing the best version of yourself without pretending to be something you're not. Authenticity is a cornerstone of confidence in seduction. When you're truly comfortable with who you are, you stop trying to be someone else to gain approval. This genuine confidence is incredibly attractive. A great example of this is Keanu Reeves. He has a calm, grounded presence that comes from being comfortable in his own skin. He doesn't try to impress people with flashy gestures or words. Instead, he lets his actions and behavior speak for themselves. His presence is magnetic because it's rooted in authenticity. Try this. Focus on authenticity in your interactions. Let go of the need to impress others and simply be present. Engage with people as your true self, and the confidence that comes from being genuine will make you more seductive. Number 4, physical confidence. Physical confidence plays a significant role in how others perceive you. The way you carry yourself, your posture, your movements, your facial expressions sends a message about how you feel about yourself. When you stand tall, make eye contact, and move with purpose, you signal that you're in control and that you're confident in who you are. Your body language is one of the strongest signals you can send to others about your inner state. Take someone like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. His physical presence is undeniable. When he enters a room, he commands attention, not just because of his size, but because of his posture, the way he carries himself. He exudes confidence through his body language. Do this next time. Focus on your body language. Stand up straight, maintain strong eye contact, and use gestures that are confident and purposeful. These small adjustments can dramatically improve your seductive power. Number 5, creating emotional connection. Another powerful method in building confidence in seduction is creating an emotional connection. It's one thing to be confident on the surface, but true seduction happens when you can connect with someone on a deeper, emotional level. Emotional connection is a key part of establishing rapport and trust, which makes others feel comfortable and drawn to you. When you're able to connect with someone emotionally, you create a bond that goes beyond physical attraction. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel understood, appreciated, and valued. This emotional magnetism increases your overall confidence because you know that you're not just relying on superficial traits to make an impression. A great example of creating emotional connection is how Oprah Winfrey connects with her guests and her audience. She listens deeply, makes others feel seen, and speaks from the heart. This emotional connection is what makes her so captivating. People trust her, and they want to be around her because they feel she truly understands them. To build this emotional connection, focus on empathy. Take a genuine interest in what the other person is saying. Don't just listen to respond, but listen to understand. Pay attention to their emotions and respond with warmth, sincerity, and understanding. When you make someone feel heard and validated, it strengthens the bond between you and boosts your confidence. Number 6, mental reprogramming. Finally, let's talk about mental reprogramming. True confidence comes from the inside out, and to build it, you need to change the way you think about yourself and your interactions. Confidence isn't about being perfect or never failing. It's about embracing those failures as opportunities for growth. Those who are truly confident in seduction embrace rejection and failure, using them as stepping stones to build even more confidence. Think about someone like Richard Branson. He has failed countless times, yet his confidence remains unshaken. He doesn't let failures define him, and this allows him to take risks and attract people to him with ease. Try this. Reprogram your mindset by focusing on the things that truly matter to you and letting go of what doesn't. When you stop worrying about the opinions of others and start acting based on your values, your confidence in seduction will grow. So, to recap, confidence in seduction is about mastering self-awareness, radiating charisma, embodying authenticity, commanding body language, reprogramming your mindset, and creating powerful emotional connections. These aren't just techniques. They're life skills that will make you stand out elevate your presence, and attract people to you naturally. But this is only the beginning. Confidence, influence, seduction. They're all part of a much bigger puzzle, one that also includes achieving independence, control, and power in other areas of life, like financial freedom. That's what it means to reach the top 1%. If you're ready to take this journey further, check out our full playlist on seduction, where we dive into the skills and secrets that top 1% influencers and leaders use to attract and succeed. And if you're serious about leveling up your life in every way, my video on financial freedom will show you how to unlock a future of limitless possibilities. Imagine combining inner confidence with true financial independence. Now that's unstoppable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights that take you closer to the life you've always wanted. Until next time, go out there, build that magnetic confidence, and get one step closer to your ultimate self.